Welcome to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and everyday waste is transformed into something truly beautiful. In reclaiming waste into desired decor, creative trash-to-treasure transformations, we explore inspiring ways to turn discarded materials into stylish, meaningful home decor pieces that elevate modern living spaces. What many see as trash, scrap wood, old metal, broken furniture, and forgotten industrial leftovers, we see as hidden potential waiting to be reimagined. This video is dedicated to showing how creative design, thoughtful craftsmanship, and eco-conscious thinking can transform waste into decor that feels intentional, artistic, and desirable. At Kuki Decor, we believe great design doesn't come from expensive materials, but from bold ideas and smart reuse. Upcycled decor adds character, warmth, and authenticity to any space while supporting a more sustainable lifestyle. From rustic textures and industrial accents to minimalist and modern finishes, trash-to-treasure transformations bring unique stories into your home that mass-produced decor simply cannot offer. Each reclaimed piece carries history, texture, and individuality, making your decor truly one of a kind. This video is perfect for anyone searching for eco-friendly home decor ideas, upcycling inspiration, and creative recycling projects that combine style with purpose. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a sustainable design lover, or simply someone who enjoys unique decor ideas, you'll find inspiration in every transformation. If you're ready to see waste in a new light and discover how discarded materials can become statement decor, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for daily inspiration on turning waste into beauty and creating stylish spaces with purpose. Creative trash-to-treasure decor concepts begin with a shift in perspective, seeing discarded materials not as waste, but as raw design elements filled with character, texture, and possibility. At Kuki Decor, this approach celebrates creativity over consumption and proves that meaningful decor can be crafted from what already exists. Scrap wood, rusted metal, broken furniture, old glass, and industrial leftovers each bring a unique visual language that, when thoughtfully combined, results in decor that feels authentic and intentional. Instead of hiding imperfections, trash-to-treasure design highlights them, allowing cracks, patina, and weathered surfaces to become defining aesthetic features that add depth and personality to a space. One of the most powerful concepts in trash-to-treasure decor is transformation through function. Items once designed for one purpose can be reborn into something entirely different. Old wooden drawers become floating shelves, broken ladders turn into vertical plant stands, and discarded doors transform into dramatic dining tables or wall panels. These creative shifts add surprise and storytelling to interiors. Each piece carries a past life, and that history becomes part of the decor's appeal. In modern homes where uniqueness is valued, these reclaimed creations stand out far more than mass-produced furnishings. Material pairing plays a vital role in creating desired decor from discarded materials. Reclaimed wood combined with metal scraps creates a striking balance between warmth and strength, while glass and steel offer a sleek, industrial edge. Thoughtful contrasts elevate waste materials into high-end design. A rough wood surface framed with clean metal lines feels intentional and modern. Soft lighting added to reclaimed pieces can further enhance texture, turning simple materials into focal points that feel curated rather than improvised. Surface treatment is another key element in trash-to-treasure concepts. Sanding, sealing, oiling, or lightly polishing reclaimed materials can dramatically change their visual impact while preserving their natural character. Metal can be cleaned and left raw for an industrial feel or sealed to maintain a rich patina. Wood can be smoothed while keeping its grain and imperfections visible. These finishing choices influence whether a piece feels rustic, modern, or minimalist, allowing discarded materials to fit seamlessly into a wide range of interior styles. Creating desired decor from waste also relies heavily on proportion and balance. Successful upcycled pieces respect scale, symmetry, and visual harmony. Even the most unconventional materials can feel refined when shapes are balanced and lines are intentional. Wall decor made from scrap materials becomes visually pleasing when spacing and composition are carefully planned. Furniture built from reclaimed parts gains elegance when dimensions feel comfortable and well considered. This attention to design detail is what transforms a recycled object into a desirable decor piece rather than a simple DIY experiment. Storytelling is central to the appeal of trash-to-treasure decor. Every reclaimed piece invites curiosity and conversation. A coffee table made from salvaged beams, or wall sculpture formed from metal scraps instantly connects people to the idea of reuse and sustainability. These pieces reflect values as much as style, making homes feel more personal and meaningful. At Kuki Decor, this philosophy highlights how decor can express creativity, responsibility, and individuality all at once. Discarded materials also offer unmatched freedom for customization. Unlike store-bought decor, reclaimed pieces can be tailored in size, shape, and finish to perfectly suit a space. This flexibility allows creators to design around real-life needs rather than forcing a space to adapt to mass-produced items. Custom shelving from reclaimed wood, lighting fixtures made from industrial waste, or sculptural decor from scrap metal all provide solutions that are both practical and visually striking. Another important concept in creative trash-to-treasure decor is layering texture. Combining rough and smooth surfaces, matte and polished finishes, or organic and industrial elements adds richness to a design. Reclaimed materials naturally excel in texture, making them ideal for layered interiors. A single upcycled piece can soften minimalist spaces, or add depth to modern rooms that might otherwise feel too clean or uniform. They prove that beauty is not defined by cost or perfection, but by imagination and intention. Creating desired decor from discarded materials is an act of creative responsibility, blending sustainability with personal expression. At Kuki Decor, this approach encourages viewers to rethink waste, embrace imperfection, and see potential where others see none. By transforming discarded materials into meaningful decor, homes become more than styled spaces. They become reflections of creativity, consciousness, and thoughtful design. As we come to the end of this journey through creative trash-to-treasure decor transformations, we hope this video has changed the way you look at everyday waste. What once seemed ordinary or unusable can become desired, meaningful decor when creativity and purpose guide the process. Reclaiming discarded materials isn't just about design, it's about storytelling, sustainability, and expressing individuality through thoughtful craftsmanship. Each upcycled piece proves that beauty doesn't have to be new or expensive, it simply needs imagination and care. At Kuki Decor, we believe great decor starts with vision. By turning waste into functional and stylish home accents, you're not only creating unique interiors, but also contributing to a more conscious and responsible way of living. These trash-to-treasure ideas show that imperfection adds character, texture adds depth, and reclaimed materials add soul to any space. Whether it's wood, metal, glass, or industrial scraps, every material has the potential to become something remarkable. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and comment. We'd love to hear which idea sparked your creativity the most. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and turn on notifications. We post new videos every day, packed with upcycled decor ideas, reclaimed furniture inspiration, and creative design concepts that help you transform waste into beauty. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Keep reimagining, keep creating, and keep seeing value where others don't. Until our next video, remember every discarded material holds a hidden story waiting to be transformed.